Turmeric is a very popular ingredient right now, and if you have no idea what to do with it, but you found it in your spice kit or you stumble upon it in the store, this is a perfect idea. This is a turmeric chicken breast dinner recipe, and today you'll learn how to put it all together quickly. Show me some love and like and subscribe to this channel. I have so many easy dinner recipes coming your way. Get this recipe started by patting chicken dry with paper towels and cutting them into large chunks, about 3 pieces per chicken breast. You want to start this recipe with all the ingredients prepped. You're going to toss them in pretty quickly. Add the butter, onion, red pepper, garlic salt, and pepper to a large skillet on medium heat. Stir this regularly and cook until the onion is translucent, about 5 minutes. On medium-low heat, add in some freshly grated ginger, turmeric, oregano, thyme, cinnamon, and cardamom. Stir this for a minute. Don't let the spices burn. Then it's time to add in some Sauvignon Blanc or whatever dry wine you'd like. Continue stirring a few minutes until the liquid evaporates. It's time to add in the chicken broth. Again, stir together and add in the chicken breast. Cover and bring it to a light boil, then reduce to medium-low to create a simmer. Flip the chicken every few minutes to completely coat it in the turmeric sauce. Cook until the chicken is thoroughly cooked to 165 degrees. It will no longer be pink inside when it's done, and this will take about 15 minutes depending on the size of your chicken. Remove and set it aside. Raise the temperature of the burner to medium-high and cook down the turmeric sauce to a thick consistency that can coat the back of a spoon. You don't want to ditch this sauce. It is yummy. Serve turmeric chicken with a sprinkle of fresh parsley. I like to serve it over some rice. It makes a complete meal. Print out the recipe steps at Sip by Go, and you can always sign up for my free recipe newsletter. Links are in the comments. Cheers!